Yeah, Greg's gonna take me for a ride in his Nash.
Oh, okay.
So I'll be gone for a little while.
All right,
Yeah, bye.
bye.
I didn't check. Yeah. You got your keys with you? Yeah, but you always take the keys. Here, I'll open this back up and start it up.
Well, I had to check. A guy was asking me when I was telling him that you had a 36 Nash with a flathead motor.
Uh-huh.
He asked if it had a double distributor. He said that he said that some of them had two distributors.
Really?
And that it was the same as the old airplanes, that when one distributor quit, if it quit working, the other one took over.
Yeah, well, see this? See, that's generator water pump. The generator runs the water pump. This thing, earlier, we didn't even hardly have to start. Hit the key. To start this car, you just like flip this switch up. I don't use a key because it's got a locking steering, but just flip the switch up to neutral because it'll start in any gear. Flip the switch up and then it's got a starting button. Look at how easy that starts.
Yeah.
It just runs smooth. It does have overdrive, cruising overdrive. I'm not sure how to use it yet, but I'll figure it out. I don't think that should.
Hey, your electric windows didn't work.
No,
They just roll down or not?
I think you can just do whatever you feel like. This thing drives better than that 50. Steers easier.
That's a long front end on there. Probably not any longer than any others, but
I gotta learn how to drive it. You don't have to push the clutch in any far. I think that's what screwed up my starter, because I pushed the clutch in too far and it started the motor while the motor was running. And that's what screwed up my starter. I had to get another starter. Luckily, I found that starter in Washington. It is pretty much all off. I don't know. I broke it. I'm taking it off. I think it was a trash bag.
I thought maybe it was for
I have no
vents
clue.
or something, opening up the vents.
No. Here's the vent. It's pretty smooth.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I bet them tires made a big difference in it.
Because those other tires were no good, and it just low. Boom, 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 boom.
Four speed or three?
Three speed. no, I think you push down on it where the overbrake kicks in, but I'll wait till the guy I bought it from shows me how to do it. I'm going to take it to the car show and go on there Sunday.
That this Sunday?
Yeah.
I told a guy I'd go out to Kearney to the drag races. I haven't been out there with him for quite a while. I was kind of...
See, now that I can't stop, I'm going to park there. Whoever drives that little black car that's parked there cut me off in Seward. Where it goes from 2 lanes to 1. Was on the right hand side. Cut me off going like a bat out of the county. I thought, oh well, there was free county. They didn't realize. If I followed them all the way to me, I could go in there. Not too upset though. Didn't want to deal with it. I didn't want to deal with them too. Synchronized though, I gotta remember that. That'd give him plenty of room. And I think the pilot bearing might be just a little noisy. You gonna drive?
That's all right.
I'm sure. There we go. I got where it's now. I'm gonna park it. Fucking old Ford. Just unforgiving, you know that? You can't hurt the son of a bitch. Did I ever tell you I had a radiator in here? I got it so hot that it melted the filler neck solder. Let the motor run down, let the motor cool down, fill it full of water, and drove it home. You know? And this motor's out of it's a 267 out of a Monte Carlo. An 80 Monte Carlo. Matter of fact, the rear end in that Nash, he said it's out of an 80 Monte Carlo.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. Let's see if it'll start.
This is one you've had the longest, isn't it?
Yeah, because I finished restoring that when I moved in here. It was needed painted. I painted it in the shop. So I've been here, what, 20 years already.
Only seems like
And
about
we're
it.
still friends.
Only seems like about 50.
Yeah. There you go. Let's see if it'll start.
Must have a little juice into the battery. Yeah, I know, but must have took a little bit of charge.
This thing will go down the road.
Well,
Alright, buddy.
we'll see you later. If I don't see you tomorrow and you take that Nash over to Goner for the car show off,
Sunday, yeah.
maybe I'll see you Sunday if I don't make it to Kearney to the races.
Yeah.